how to change Facebook video thumbnail. So if you want to change the Facebook video thumbnail, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Facebook application at first. And after that, go with the profile, which is on the top right, or the 3-bar icon, and tap on your profile. Once you tap on your profile, now if you scroll down, you'll have your reels or your videos, right? So you just need to simply go with the video in which you would like to change the thumbnail. Go with the 3 dots, which is on the top right, and tap on edit reel. Once you go with edit reel, now you need to tap on the image icon, which is on the upper left. Tap on it, and from here you'll be able to choose a different thumbnail. So you can just swipe left or right and then select any thumbnail that you're comfortable with. Or you can also add from your gallery and then tap on save, which is on the top right. And again tap on save, and that's it. That's how you can change your video thumbnail on your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.